Hello everyone. In our previous video, we had discussed about different types of numbers. In today's video, we will be discussing about divisibility rule. So, this will be the second topic of this chapter number 5, multiples and factors. Let us start. So, firstly, what divisibility rules are? Divisibility rules helps us to check whether the given numbers are divisible by a particular number or not without performing the actual division, the long division method. Okay? So here we will be discussing about divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 10. Let us start. Firstly, divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility by 2. So, to check whether the given number is exactly divisible by 2 or not without performing the actual long division method, how can we tell? The easy trick is, you just have to check the ones place digit. If there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is written, then that number will be divisible by 2. Because we know if a number is having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at one's place, then that number will be an even number. And we know that even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. So, if we want to check whether the given number is divisible by 2, we have to check its ones place digit. Okay, if the digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. For example, if I have a number and so out of these two numbers, which one is divisible by 2? Yes, this number. Because at one's place we have 2. This number is not divisible by 2 because none of these digits is available over here at one's place. So it will become very easy for us to identify whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. Let us move on to the next one, that is divisibility by 3. Now, just to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not, you just have to add all the digits of the given number. If the sum of the digits is multiple of 3 or divisible by 3, then that given number will also be divisible by 3. How? Let us see through an example. Suppose I have taken a number over here. Okay, this is the given number and they are asking us to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. So, we will not perform the long division method over here. Instead, we will apply the trick. We will add all the digits of this number. So, the sum is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. Yes, now we all know that 15 is a multiple of 3. 15 is a multiple of 3. It means 15 is divisible by 3. So, this number 3462 will also be divisible by 3. See how easy it is. So, we need not to perform here the long division. Okay. without performing that we can answer. Just we have to add all the digits of the number. If the sum is a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3, then that given number will also be divisible by 3. Let us move on to the next divisibility rule. That is divisibility by 5. Okay, so if we want to check whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not, we just have to check its ones place digit like we did in do same. So if the digit at ones place, is either 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. So we need not to check the entire number by dividing 5 whether it is divisible or not. We can simply answer just by observing its ones place digit. For example, if I take a number and so out of these two numbers, which one will be divisible by 5? Yes, obviously this number, because at ones place 5 is written, and this number, the ones place, there is neither 0 nor 5. So here we can simply answer just by the observation. If the ones place digit is 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. You can see one more thing here. What? If the digit at ones place is 0, yes, then that number is divisible by 2 and 5 both. Yes? Now let us move on to the next divisibility. Divisibility by 9. To check whether the given number is divisible by 9 or not, the rule which we applied for 3 will be applicable over here also. Means divisibility rule of 9 and divisibility rule of 3 are same. Here, if any number is given to us and we want to check whether it is divisible by 9, we just have to add all the digits like we did in 3. If the sum is a multiple of 9 or divisible by 9, then that given number will also be divisible by 9. Let us see through an example. If I take a number, okay, it's a 5-digit number over here. Yes. So if I want to check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not, I will simply start adding the digits of this number. So if I add, the sum is 6 plus 2, 8, 4, 12, 15 plus 3, 18. Now see the sum, 18. 18 is a multiple of 9, isn't it? So this 18 is divisible by 9. It means this number is also divisible by 9. Now the next rule which we are going to discuss is about divisibility by 10. Let us discuss divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. To check whether the given number is divisible by 10 or not, we have to check its ones place digit. Ones place digit. If a number is having 0 at ones place, then that number will be divisible by 10. So we don't have to check any other thing, just check the ones place digit. If there is 0 written, it means that number will be divisible by 10. So you can see if a number is having 0 at ones place, then that number will be divisible by 2, 5 and 10. All these 3 numbers. I hope these divisibility rules are clear to you now, and your work will be easier now. Whenever you will be performing division, you need not to do the long division method all the time by quickly observing the numbers, you will be able to understand whether the given number is divisible by these numbers or not. Okay, so these are the divisibility rules, and you will be solving questions based on this divisibility rule in your maths board. I hope today's video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.